Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Swag be like. 1. I woke up like this after hitting the snooze button 3 times. Reason, confidence and humor make a great combination. 2. Walking into a room like you're greeting old comrades. Reason, a warm attitude makes people feel comfortable. 3. Smiling before saying a single word. Reason, a smile is one of the easiest ways to make a good impression. 4. Wearing your favorite outfit because it makes you feel awesome. Reason, confidence starts with feeling comfortable. 5. Staying calm when everyone else is panicking. Reason, cool heads often solve problems faster. 6. Laughing it off at your own funny mistakes. Reason, nobody is perfect and it's okay. 7. Helping someone with expecting applause. Reason, kindness is always stylish. 8. Saying a good game whether you win or lose. Reason, respect is a true sign of confidence. 9. Dancing even if your moves are a little goofy. Reason, having fun beats trying to look perfect. 10. Keeping your promises. Reason, trust never goes out of style. 11. Listening more than talking. Reason, great listeners are memorable. 12. Staying positive on a rainy day. Reason, your attitude can brighten the next moment. 13. Sharing the last slice of pizza. Reason, generosity makes everyone smile. 14. Learning something new every day. Reason, knowledge adds confidence. 15. Staying humble after success. Reason, humility earns lasting respect. 16. Cheering for your comrades. Reason, supporting others makes everyone stronger. 17. Turning problems into funny stories later. Reason, it's humor helps you bounce back. 18. Saying thank you often. Reason, gratitude leaves a positive impression. 19. Staying patient in a long line. Reason, patience shows self-control. 20. Believing in yourself without bragging. Reason, quiet confidence is powerful. 21. Trying again after a setback. Reason, persistence builds success. 22. Giving compliments that are sincere. Reason, genuine kindness lifts people up. 23. Keeping your sense of humor during challenges. Reason, laughter makes tough days easier. 24. Being yourself instead of copying everyone else. Reason, authenticity is unforgettable. 25. Staying organized while everyone searches for their keys. Reason, preparation saves time and stress. 26. Celebrating small victories. Reason, every step forward matters. 27. Staying curious and asking questions. Reason, curious people keep growing. 28. Bringing positive energy wherever you go. Reason, good vibes are contagious. 29. Treating everyone with respect. Reason, respect never goes out of fashion. 13. Being confident, kind, and having fun. Reason, that's the kind of swag people truly remember. Real swag isn't about showing off. It's about confidence, kindness, and making people smile. Stay awesome, stay respectful, and keep spreading good vibes.